twisted prayer beneath the sky. Something ancient starts to breathe through broken vows, and silence screams. They called it destiny carved in